Hi, I want to make a Fudgy health snack bar. Well, the base of the ingredient that I'm going to use are 2 sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes baked, and so I'm going to put it in the food processor and just get it real smooth, and we're going to make it into our base. Okay, so my next ingredient I want to add is 1 teaspoon of non-alcoholic vanilla. I just like pure vanilla, non-alcoholic vanilla, and that's what I'm using. 2 teaspoons of raw sugar. A pinch of salt. I'm using a 1/2 cup of chopped dates, and I'm using these Sunsweet dates. They're really good. I'm really addicted to these dates. Is to use a whole date and then chop it up, because when you get the dates that are chopped up already, they're chopped up smaller than what I like them, and they have sugar added to them. So this way I get a chunkier date. The dates are really good. They're a good source of fiber, but they're also good for gut health. And I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, good source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, also good for gut health with anti-inflammation, which can be associated with helping to lower heart disease. All of these good things that taste good, that's going to make a nice treat for us, but a healthy treat. And it doesn't take long. A 1/2 cup of sweetened coconut. We'll add 1 1/4 cup of raw oats. The raw oats that I like are Quaker oats, but I like the old-fashioned kind, not the instant kind, and steel cut would not be good. You really need to cook the steel cut. You have the fiber from the sweet potatoes, you have the fiber from the walnuts, and the fiber from the dates. I have a link here that I want you to look at if you're interested in about the recommendations of some of the snack bars that you can get in the grocery. What I use is this carrot powder. It's like cocoa, but it's not. It is caffeine free. Tablespoons, just sprinkle it in there, of this carrot powder from the carrot plant. And that's going to give us a chocolatey flavor, and I'm going to add something else that's going to help with giving us that fudgy chocolatey flavor. Then I'm going to transfer this, and I lined it with parchment paper. And now I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 and bake it for about 20 to 30 minutes. And got something else we need to do that we're going to put on top. I'm going to bake it for about 20 to 30 minutes on 350. Well, while it's in the oven baking, we can go on and make that topping. And it's just going to be a chocolate sauce, and it's real simple. And then we'll drizzle it on the top. Now I'm going to add, and these are carrot chips. And we talked about the carrot plant. The taste is similar to chocolate, somewhere between milk chocolate and bittersweet chocolate. 2 tablespoons of a non-dairy milk. Maple syrup, 100% pure maple syrup. Drizzle that on there. Wow, that's good. I've got this non-trans fat margarine, about a tablespoon. Microwave and let it melt. Let's blend that all up. Chunks in there. And I'm gonna leave some of those carrot chunks in there. Just amply. When you make your own, you get so many good ingredients. There. Now that's good living. Put this in the refrigerator, let it refrigerate for a couple of hours. Even overnight is wonderful. but at least a couple of hours, and then we're gonna slice it. So I just picked it up and I put it in the refrigerator, but I didn't let it stay as long because I really want to snack on it. But you really should let it refrigerate for a couple of hours, and I didn't. But anyway, we're just gonna cut it. And I'm just gonna go down all the way. It's just wonderful. Look, that's what you want for a healthy snack. So you to taste it too, tell me if you like it, or if you wanna switch up any ingredients, you can. You can use raisins instead of dates, or almonds, or pecans instead of the walnuts. It's always good when you make something that's really healthy, good for you, and good to eat. Wonderful. Really good.